What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, today I'm going to teach you the choreography that I made to the song called Yeah by Usher. But this is a remix, alright? This is a popular TikTok music, alright? But I mixed some in the beginning. So let's start. So for this one, we're gonna start the famous TikTok step. The famous 2 counts only. 6, 7. You're gonna go pop, that, that. Okay? So that. Chest. Close your feet first. 7 and check. So you need to use your chest, not your shoulder. Don't do that. So chest. 7 and check. So next, gonna go 5. This is basically 5, 6, and 7, 8. Okay? One more time. 6, 2, 7, 2. 7 and check. Go open. 5, 6 and 7, 8. Very good. Next, we're gonna go back 1 and 2. And 6, 7 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and the 5, 6 change 7, 8. Okay? One more time. So 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. So this one is elbow and 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's continue. From here, 8 and 1 and 2. Like that. 2, shoulder down. 3 and 4. Go up. And 5 and 6. Isolation. 7 and 8. You got that part? One more time. We'll pick up from here. So 6, 7, go up. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2, shoulder drop. 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7. Lift your right. 8. Let's start from the beginning. Open. So 5, 6, 7 and go. Check. 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2, shoulder. 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Good job. Next, center. Next from here you're gonna go up. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Side. This time you're gonna use your shoulder to the right. 5, 6, 7, look on 8. Simple as that. One more time. So 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and push 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you're gonna put your weight to your left. 6, 7, 8. Next, this is the easy one. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Copy? One more time. 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. Chest. 5, 6 and 7, 8. Until there first. One more time. From here. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Chest. 5, 6 and 7. This one you're gonna go back. 8 and boom. 2, 3, 4. Alright. So from here, 8 and 2, 3, up, then up, check. Okay, until here first. I forgot the countings. We start from maybe from here. So 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1. Actually, this one 7, 8, 1. This is 1. This is quick. 7, 8, 1. This is pop. Boom. 1, 2, 3, and 4. To the front. 5. So 5 and 6. We'll change to the front. 7 and 8. Is that clear? One more time. Okay. From here. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chest. 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. So 6, 7 from here. And up. Chest. 7, and then 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. So this one 5 and 6. We'll change to the front. 7, close on 8. Yes, let's start from the beginning. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and bam bam. Bam bam. 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7, lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 12, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3 and chest. 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 12, 4, 5, 6. We'll change 7 and 8. Good job! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe in my channel, share to everybody, like it, and comments. Alright? We'll see you next time. Bye bye. I love you.